Hi everybody, it's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art, and I wanted to give you a peek inside the Expressive Florals course. Oh! We have Michael here working the cameras.
Hello.
And I honestly am thrilled to do something like this for you because I've never done anything like this before. So let me take a step back. A couple months ago, you've probably heard me talking about or hinting at an atmospheric florals class because we've done atmospheric landscapes and it was so great. We wanted to do atmospheric florals, and that was the original intention when I came into this florals course. But then I realized that in order to really capture something atmospherically, we need to understand its basic structure in order to effectively communicate that in very loose, broad brushstrokes, right? So then I thought I need to put together a florals course where we go through how to break down a flower, how to draw flowers, how to paint those flowers, and then how to put those flowers in a composition. And once we have an understanding of that, then we know what rules we need to break in order to paint something very loosely, very atmospherically, all of that kind of stuff. Okay?
All right.
So I'm calling this course the Expressive Florals course. And my goal with it is we're going to focus on 4 flowers. And these are the projects here. Oh dear. So we're painting cosmos. So I'm going to teach you how do you break down drawing. And we have a drawing lesson with each of these flowers. So we're going to draw these. Then we're going to paint these. And then I'm going to show you how to paint them within a project, step-by-step project with composition tips and all of that gorgeous stuff. Okay? The second project here is we're doing Orlea lace and filler flower. So I talk about how, to draw these, how to paint them, how to place things next to each other, and how we can actually take filler flower and make them the star of our painting itself. We also use wet on wet techniques and utilize the bleed proof white bleeding into the background to create a sense of dimension within our painting. Okay?
We were testing the limits of its name. It does bleed.
It does bleed.
Bleed proof? Nay.
And it bleeds beautifully.
That's right.
Our third lesson that we are going to do is we are going to paint peonies here, okay? So I'm going to show you the technique of layering. I'm going to show you how to draw them, which is really hard. And then I'm going to show you that painting them is actually much easier than trying to draw them. And again, we're going to talk about composition. We're going to talk about all of that fun stuff. And then our very last project that we have here are Dahlias. Now, this is where we're starting to lean more into that atmospheric painting, not quite all the way, which we will get there, but I really wanted to give you this strong foundation first. And the fantastic thing is we will be utilizing the same steps of how to break down and draw flowers. I'm going to show you my method. I'm going to show you how I approach it. I'm going to give you access to all of that. And so then once I show you my process, you can take that and apply this to any flower painting you want. You don't have to stop at the 4 that we're doing here together. But I realize that this is probably the first time I'm really taking you from start to finish, from idea to drawing to painting to composition ever. And we get to do it 4 times with 4 different flowers. And the amount of stuff that's in this course, you guys, every time I film, I'm like, let's do another video. Let's do this. I'm going to show you how to do simple brush strokes on different colored backgrounds. We can make our own backgrounds. We're going to utilize wet paper and spray bottles. I'm going to teach you how to draw. I have a drawing tip video. And also I have a video that focuses just on how to use the new brushes that we are carrying at letsmakeart.com, the blooms and the petals brush. Okay. We have a video just on that. So if you're curious about what this course is going to be about, there's all the information you need. I showed you the projects. Get ready to take a deep dive into these florals and move forward with confidence as you approach your own floral painting. And we will continue to build off of these things to grow our skills. So I really hope you decide to join me. We've released the supplies list a couple weeks ago. So if you need that, you can email us at hello@letsmakeart.com. And I'm really excited. This will be available March 8th. Is that Thursday, Michael?
Well, I think so, yes.
Let's get the details down.
Let's check. March 8th is Thursday.
March 8th is when this is launching.
May 8th.
May 8th. May 8th is when this is launching. Wow. And I'm super excited just in time for Mother's Day. So if you need something to spoil yourself or spoil your mom, this is a great thing that you can get. So
I know what I'm getting you.
This course.
This course.
Great. I can't wait. Truly, it's a blast. I hope you decide to join me, and I'll see you there. Bye.